Hello guys, welcome back to our end of the market update for this beautiful Tuesday, March the 23rd of 2021. I am Camilo from Trending Waves, and I'm here to review what happened today in the market. So let us dissect to this. All right, before we dive into this video, I wanna touch base on something really important. Okay, I was asked today in our group, why aren't we issuing a short-term trade to the downside if we are anticipating further sell-off in the markets? And my answer to this is this. So the only time that I personally take a short-term trade to the downside on the indices, right? Say on the inverse ETFs like the UVXY or the SQQs for the Nasdaq, is when we are anticipating or we are within a larger degree time frame. What is the largest degree time frame? Like the intermediate wave, or in the in the primary degree or intermediate degree, like I said. All right. Why do we wait for those? Because the moves there are much prolonged. And also second of all, so I don't trade. So trading a correction, it's most likely that you will trade the wave C of the ABC correction, right? Because wave A, while is a 5-wave impulse, right? It could be 535. Then the confirmation that we will get a further 5-wave down on wave C will be to wait for wave B to finish. Okay, at which point we entered a trade on the way down on wave C, like you see here, for instance. A good example is this. Okay, so our initial decline was in 5 waves. We then bounced up, right, in 3 waves. And then here we entered a trade on the SQQs, but this was a prolonged directional sell-off. All right, this sell-off was, if let's say we'll take it from there, right? This sell-off was roughly about a 4% drop. Okay, so that's where those type of trades come in really handy. However, here, these trades, these sell-offs are a little bit less aggressive. Okay, because we are looking within a minor degree within the tomorrow time frame. Okay, so you won't be able to capitalize on those type of moves unless you put up a lot of capital up front, which is pretty risky to say the least, because if it goes the opposite way, you'll end up losing a lot. But whereas in a prolonged correction, you have less capital, right? But then you have the move that is going to be longer, and so you will make a lot more money like that. That's my interpretation on that, and so that's my tip for you guys to take a look. So let us review what happened today. Okay, so coming out of yesterday's video, we were anticipating that this could have been one of two things. This could have been up in 1, down in 2. We were in the midst of finishing wave 3, and then we pulled back into wave 4. All right, and then wave 5 was going to take us to the start of wave 1 of 3, right? But that wasn't the case. All right, we were noting that on yesterday's video that 3950 was key resistance on the S&P, right? And this is evident in what we see here. So it was established back in February. All right, we've attempted to break out of it one time. We then tried to break out of it in this zone, and we failed to hold that as support. We since then sold off, and now we moved in 3 waves up to try to break it again. However, we failed at it today. Okay, also, when we take a retracement of this wave A, we'll note that wave B finished right spot on in the 78.6% retracement of wave A. So that's pretty appropriate on the wave B. Wave Bs, remember, are designed to trap bulls. They are phony waves, and they may be masked as an impulse and trap you, which is why in our trading community, I can't stress this enough. We have to be very patient, guys. We have to be patient to wait for this trade for the chart to tell us, and the price action to tell us that, okay, this is confirmation. Confirmation 1 has been met. Now we wait for the confirmation 2, whatever the confirmation is, to be set. Okay, in this case, confirmation 1 was a break of this level. Confirmation 2 was a retest of it. And confirmation 3 was an executed trade to take us higher. Simple as that. I know we just need patience. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. It's just patience and discipline. Okay, and that's what I love about our trading community. We that's what we have. So sorry, I apologize. I got sidetracked on that. So back to the charts. Where are we going next? If this was in fact, the wave count. So if this was let me take 2 steps. Let me finish my thought process before that. So wave 1, if this was wave 1, down in 2, up in 3, correction in 4, and then off we go, then the pullback on wave 4 should not have surpassed the extreme of this wave 1, right? Because that'll be an invalid wave count. So we sold off through it, and we're now below it. Therefore, I stand that this is our correction now. So down in A, 3 waves up in B, we're now correcting in wave C. What I anticipate that's going to happen tomorrow or in the next few days is that we're dropping, we correct right into the B wave, and then we sell off. So my first level here to look at is the 38.82 or the 38.2% retracement of wave A. Okay, why am I looking at that one? It's common for wave 2 to finish there, and it is also in line with several key levels in the S&P. So for instance, okay, 38.82 was support on this zone, was resistance and support here, okay, and now it acted as resistance, it acted as support, and now we're looking to back test that area. Should this zone fail, all right, I will be looking at now the 50% retracement. At the 50% retracement takes us at the 38.52, which is most likely a zone where we can find some sort of support, anywhere between 38.82 or 38.50, which are whole numbers. Okay, guys, so that is my take on this. That is my interpretation. I am going to keep on waiting, and once this support is confirmed, then I am looking for a trade to take onto the upside. All right, so keep your eyes out for this, and keep track of it. All right. So for those that are not in our group, I took a screenshot of how we manage the updates here. So as you can see here, at 11:30, I posted this chart, right? So we were still under the resistance line. We reviewed it in last night's video. So we were looking for this to break up higher, and we did not. All right. So later in the afternoon, at around 3 p.m., that wasn't the case. So I update the team throughout the day to let them know where we are within the wave counts and the corrections. All right. Alternatively, guys, this is my Instagram account where I post daily updates on the S&P, the Nasdaq, or some forex pairs also. And if you want to join our group, which is totally free, just click on the link in the bio, which will take you to these 2 links here. One is from my YouTube video, which it'll help my channel grow if you subscribe and like the videos, which I extremely am happy and thankful for if you guys do so. And this is for the Discord group. So click on that link. You can post your email here, and you can join totally free. There's no charge. Just all I ask is just come in, be respectful, and then just throw your trade ideas out there. And us as a community and as a team, we can all look at things and trade together. All right, guys. So that's that. I really look forward to you guys coming in and joining our team. Okay, now to the NDX. The NDX is in a similar situation. So as discussed in yesterday's video, we set this this downtrend line as a resistance line, and we failed to break higher. Okay, so that on yesterday's video we spoke about that, right? So we spoke that if we don't break above this level, 13,170, if we don't impulsively go higher, then we can potentially start looking at downward momentum into wave C. Okay. Now, in looking at this this wave count here, right? If we take a look, let's drop down to a 15-minute time frame. Okay. Well, note that we can still call this a wave 1, wave 3, wave 2, wave 3, and we're still here within the wave 4, because technically speaking, we have not invalidated this wave count. So the NDX looks a little bit different than this wave count here today. So let us quickly label these, right? So up in 1, down in 2, up in 3, 4, and then go 5. All right. So now until we don't break the zone, okay, from an Elliott wave standpoint, all right, we already completed our corrective wave 2 on the NDX. All right. So here I'm waiting for the price action to fail to take us lower beyond wave 1. If we take some extension tools here, we can probably start outlining what's going on here. So sure enough, look. So wave 3 ended 161% extension of wave 1, which is pretty appropriate. Okay. Wave 2 here retraced. It was a pretty shallow wave 2. It retraced at the 23%, right? Yep. It found support at the 23%. So far, all these guidelines have been checking out. So now wave 4, if this is in fact wave 4, we should be seeing some sort of bounce here in the coming into tomorrow or this week at the very least. But we cannot break below this level, all right, the $12,900 region. That level must be held intact in order for us to validate this wave count. Otherwise, everything gets shifted one swing over, okay, and we're still gonna be looking for a completed wave C into the downside. Okay, guys, so that's where we stand on the on the NDX in the short-term outlook. All right, so up in 1, down in 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to complete minor degree wave 1. We're now looking for 3 waves down to complete wave 2 to take us higher in the wave 3. The alternate count is that, as I just pointed out, all right, this is wave 1, down in 2, up in 3. We're now finishing wave 4 to take us higher into wave 5 of 3. Okay, guys, so give it time. Let us see tomorrow. This will have to be approximately less than 0.5% or more than 0.5% of a drop, which we'll know in the pre-market and the futures market will let us know what's going to happen for tomorrow. So with that being said, thank you so much again for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you can subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, it'll help my channel grow. And just post some questions and I'll be happy to answer them. Again, you can join our trading community, which is totally free to join. Just hit the link that's on the description down below. Also, you don't have to go on my Instagram, but it's on the description. Just click the link, input your email, and it'll take you directly to the Discord, where you'll find us there. We trade comfortably and happy, and as a team, as a group, and we all, we'll have fun there. So I look forward to seeing you guys there, and I look forward to seeing new faces. And again, thank you so much for watching, and good luck coming into tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Take care. Bye-bye.